Yeah, just quickly having some breakfast before we go on our day trip. Yes, it was.
The river Buna. This river is one of the largest springs in Eastern Europe, where we have approximately 5,000 liters water per second coming out.
Again. Let's get on a little day trip now. That looks like a platform, maybe? And then waterfalls. Cute. Oh, yeah.
Best experiences traveling are tours like this. Like you get an awful lot of single serving friends. But
First time I haven't really done it, like the free walking tours in the morning to see everything in the city. I'm like, no, you know, I can easily find it in the city as well. I see it all at once and like explore it on your own.
Yeah, I feel like it's just interesting for like the history.
And you get the local guys telling you all their stories and favorite places, and then the vouchers, of course, in the end.
Yeah.
Like the free beer tasting and stuff.
there are some really bad ones too. The one we didn't split was
The
terrible.
split one was the worst one we've ever done.
But the one here was really
That's
good.
sad.
And the guy was fighting in the war himself, and he gave us the Bosnian perspective, and one of the guys in our tour group was Croatian, so he had a different perspective, and
Oh, that's
it
fun.
was like respectful, but it was interesting to hear them talk about it, and he explained he had a lot of personal history with
Yeah.
tied into it, so it made it a little easier than just like reading a textbook or hearing about it in the classroom.
But it wasn't like he said, yeah, the Bosnian Herzegovinans are the best, and like, this is my experience and this is how it was. He always took into account that there were other nations with their own problems, and that's what he stressed. Like,
blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. I clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and I'm putting low. Blood rush in the hazy glow. My head.
Nice. We got a mixed
I thought they were going to give me
plate.
something much more for 2 years.
Mixed
Yeah.
up. Yay!
Your bones. Why are you to look at me? Set on fire until the dream. Spin around, you can feel the breeze. Count 1, 2, 3. Won't you stop the music?
And that's how you know you got the backpacking in your blood. Just filling the wine in a water thing, in a beer bottle.
so if you
Nice.
guys share this, Brandon and I'm gonna share that. So I was gonna do that.
Oh, that was so far out!
Yes! Good job!
Woo! Machine! That was so quick!
No, okay, I'm gonna do it too.
Okay, let's go.
They don't have one.
And the people come at like 11.
It was great.
Fantastic.
We could have a
Love
few
it.
drinks. Drinks trinken, so bei einer
beautiful.
Really cool.
Nice. Really funny right now. Who's getting engaged?
And like all the experience around it, everything is so much worth it. Being here twice.
Has it, is it important?
I said 33. Okay.
5,
6, 7,
8,
9,
10, 11,
12,
14.
Ah! 18, 19.
20.
Just tell me.
So, I'm so happy that Mojito 2,50 €.
Thank you, Mama.
Voila.
Alright. So,
It's most certainly my turn.
it is.
It most certainly is.
10, 11,
13.
15.
No! What the fuck?
It's going this way.
13.
14. Just say 14. Delicious rice.
Now it's always the same thing.
1.
4, 7.
What?
Yeah. Yes, correct.
Oh, sorry, 8.
Yeah. Yeah.
11.
13. 15. Ah!
You looked at me.
It's a trick.
You looked at me.
It's a trick.
We're going this way now? That it goes to following steps. If she says 15 and then you say 16, we keep going around like this.
That is the rule of 50.
Aber mal, es hört doch auf, wenn alle. You can go, but if you want, you can also go with us.
I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
So you would
Summertime of the world. Eh?
Hey,
Time of
the world. Hey.
Na, 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 na.
So, we made it to the Dubrovnik. We arrived just 1 hour later, so not too much later. And now it's their terrace, not mine, because I'm leaving to go back to work. Yes, so I think I have around 1.5 hours here until I have to get back to the bus. So we will try to explore a bit. Huh? It looks so cool. My last food on this trip. in Croatia.